Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where today's vlog I'm going to be testing out the egg rolls I bought from Aldi just the other day. So I went to Aldi because I wanted to get some of their German Oktoberfest foods, as you do in September at Aldi. And the first thing I spotted when I walked in were egg rolls. And they looked so good, and they were in the produce department. First thing I saw. So it's like, I have to get those, which inspired me to make my own sweet and sour sauce, which I will link here, I believe. Maybe it's here. I'll do that somewhere. But I'm gonna actually put these in the air fryer and spray them with a little bit of toasted sesame oil. I was going to use duck fat, but then it's like, nah, I think I'll just use the toasted sesame oil for a more Asian, hopefully, flavor. And if I didn't already say so, I'm going to put them into the air fryer and see how they crisp up and see how they taste. So let's do it. Okay, so I bought 2 different flavors of egg rolls at Aldi. Of course, I had to buy pork, which would be always my go-to flavor for egg rolls. But they also had chicken, so I thought, well, I might as well pick up a package of that too, because why wouldn't you? So here's the toasted sesame oil I told you I was going to use. It's really a nice oil, and it adds, I mean, I'm not going to put a heavy coating of the oil because sesame oil, really a little bit goes a long way, but I am going to give them a light coating. So let's take them out of the package. And these are going on the air fryer grate. And I think I'll just have to do one package at a time, leaving some space in between them for air circulation in the air fryer. There we go. Okay, so that way too they'll get nice and crispy on the bottom because they'll be cooking on the grate. And I also laid down some parchment sheets for when I do spray them, just to catch some of the overspray so I don't spray it all over my wooden board and whatnot. So just, again, real light. Whoa, that's not light. Shake it. Okay, a little bit heavier than I intended, which is not going to make it taste horrible, I hope, but we shall see. Now we go to the air fryer. So here we are over at the air fryer, and oddly enough, the package never gave air fryer instructions, which you would think in this day and age, everybody almost has an air fryer. Why wouldn't it? But we're just gonna wing it and see what happens. So again, they're on the rack, the baking rack, and then close up the door, one-handed. And I'm going to turn it on to, I'm going to go a little, well, sometimes I overcook things in the air fryer. So I don't really want to do that. The default is always 15 minutes at 370. So I don't really want to do 15 minutes. I think that's going to be way too high, way too long rather. So we will move the time down on the clock. We'll try 10 at 370. So ready, set, let's do it. There they go. Can't see them so well, but we'll check back in 10 minutes, see how they taste. And here's the homemade sweet and sour sauce that I was talking about earlier that I made. So simple to make. Ooh, looks so good. And the flavor is, I think, far better than what you can get even at a Chinese in those little packets. Skip the packets, guys, and skip the store-bought. Make your own because you'll be glad you did. Okay, gonna dip in a few. And here are the chicken egg rolls waiting their turn to go into the air fryer. And yes, I did overspray them again with sesame, toasted sesame oil. I don't know, I guess I'm kind of heavy-handed with that. So be more careful than I am when you do it at home. Okay, it's 5 minutes down. Let's have a peek. Well, they look good. I hear them sizzling. Now I did look on the package and it says they should reach an internal temperature of 165. So when I take them out in another 4 or 5 minutes, I will use the instant read thermometer. So continue on. All right, the air fryer just turned off. So let's open the oven. Whoa. Yeah, well, I may have gone a little bit too long, but let's bring them over here and then we will use the instant read thermometer and check what the temperature is. So let me take off my glove. Okay. Turn it on. Come on, baby. Okay, maybe I'll get better at filming with one hand, but maybe I won't. Okay, 165 we're looking for. Oh, we're okay. Yeah, we are well over that, so we are safe to eat. It's climbing still. We're way safe to eat, guys. But before I do that, I'm going to let them cool because even though I love you, I'm not gonna burn my mouth up for you. So let's give them like 5 minutes and then we will sample. Like I said, these are the pork ones. So, okay. Now while I'm waiting for the pork egg rolls to cool down, I'm going to stick the chicken ones into the air fryer. I'm gonna do the same temperature, which was, what did I say, 170? And I'm gonna go with 9 minutes and not 10 minutes. So these are going into the air fryer now. So here's the second batch of egg rolls. We have the chicken on the left and the pork on the right and the yummy sweet sour sauce in the middle. And we'll turn it around and you get to see my in-time reaction. I hope they're good. We'll find out. Okay, first we're gonna go with the pork because that's always my favorite. What I should have done is tried it first without the sauce, but do a little dip. Do a little dip in the sauce. And they sure do look crunchy, so. There you go. Well, it tastes pretty good, actually. No, not what you'd buy at your favorite Chinese takeout, necessarily. Maybe some Chinese takeouts, not mine. Mine have really, really good egg rolls, but these are not bad. I appreciate them. You know, when you want something quick, but you don't want to do takeout, they're good. Okay, so that was the pork. I'm gonna set that one down and we will go ahead and try the chicken. First, I'm gonna take a bite without the sauce. How rude. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off. Very hot. But good. A little bit different flavor, of course, naturally, because it is chicken. The other one was pork, but it's tasty. Sorry to be so rude. Now I'm gonna go in for the dip and try it one more time with the homemade sweet sour sauce. Hot. I'm telling you guys, the egg rolls are good, but the sweet sour sauce really makes these. So I do hope you'll try it. And thank you so much for visiting. If you like this weird video, hopefully they get better. But I appreciate if you do like it and give me a thumbs up. It will help with my algorithms on YouTube. And hopefully I'll get more views and more subscribers and all the good things. So anyways, thanks for visiting. I hope you come again. And my tagline on my blog, until we eat again, I hope you have a delicious day. Bye, guys.